go there, you already know no boy. Me and I represent with TeflonDon. So you want to go up on them page, subscribe, share, like, comment. You don't know so no boy being there. Yes.
What going family? What going? There people, what going people? Welcome back to my channel guys. My name is TeflonDon. Welcome. Please feel free to subscribe, like and share guys. I'm in Ocherias. Today is Monday. We're celebrating Boxing Day today. You know what I say? So my daughter said yo, she want to come and get some ice cream and probably something to eat. You see me? Yeah man, so we just go out and have a little fun today. You see me? Just enjoy daughter day with my daughter. Boxing Day 2021. Yes people, so I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. You see me? I'm gonna bring you guys along with me guys. Yo, enough love, you know. I have to say this guys. Thank you so much for your support guys. Thank you so much for my new subscribers. Big up. My old subscribers, big up. Thank you so much for supporting TeflonDon in 2021. More to come, bigger things to come in 2022. But we say more life, you know what I say? From we have life, we have hope people. So you see me? So guys, roll with me today as we go along and have some fun with me and my daughter Ashley. So guys, I'll see you in a minute guys. Peace! Yeah people, we're there. Turkey River Park. Come take a look, you see me? Taking a fresh breeze and the whole atmosphere, you see me? Yeah man, you're so nice man, you see me? Jamaica nice as I say all the time. You don't know. Season's greetings to everyone. But yes, I must say, I must big up all my members, all my special members. Big up yourself. Thank you for being a member all this time. Blessings to all my members also. Yeah man. I will see you. I will show you some of the turtles guys. I'll show you in a minute guys. Guys, we're at Turkey River Park. I don't see any turtles right now. I see 1 and 2 fishes over there. Let me see if we can zoom in guys. Yeah, I don't know if you can see them clearly, but 1 and 2 fishes are in the water. But let's see if we can spot some turtles, you know, because this is Turkey River Park. Wow, look at that fish. Nice color. Come on. I don't see any turtles. It's a Turkey River Park, but I don't see any turtles. Oh, you see any turtles? I just nice fish. Feed them no? Yes people, I don't see any turtles, I just see fishes in the pond. But I don't know we're there. I enjoy ourselves same way. Yeah man, Turkey River Park. We'll go different locations today guys, but this is just one stop, you know. Take some pictures and some videos. Alright, let's move again guys. Yeah guys, I'm gonna try to go over Margaritaville right now. I heard implemented new policies about vaccination card. I'm gonna try to go in and see what's happening. I'm gonna let you guys know what's up. I'm about to go to the entrance right now and see what they say. Alright guys, give me a second guys, alright? Yeah guys, they let me in, so I don't know, somebody was telling me about we need a vaccination card to come in, but they let me in, so I don't know what's going on, but I'm here guys. I'm gonna make the best of the day. Let me see if the ice cream place is open. Look like the ice cream place open, Ashley? Huh? Look, you see it? Where is it? Yeah man, see there? Right there, so. So you'll get ice cream first before we eat? I want to get ice cream last. Before? Alright guys, let me show you what's going on here in Florida, Jamaica guys. Let me show you what's up. Beautiful guys, even though the place is kind of overcast, it's still beautiful. Let me walk over there son. Over this one. Let me show you guys real quick the fish them that they have here, and then we're gonna get some ice cream because Ashley want ice cream. Yeah man, I want that no. You learn to use it man. Yes people, beautiful island village, Ocherias. I'll show you what's going on. Let's see if we can spot any fish. The fish them look like them asleep. I don't see no fish. I didn't go on vacation. I don't see one fish Ashley. Look like they fly out Ghana different location. Guys. Alright guys. I'm gonna go get some Ashley said she wants some ice cream. So we're gonna go get some ice cream right now. Yeah man, so like I said guys, big up on yourself over there. I enjoy myself, me and my daughter, you see me? Boxing Day 2021, you see me? Daddy daughter day, big up on yourself. Oh, yeah guys, before I go to get some ice cream, I just saw the ship dock. So I'm just gonna let you see what's going on here. A ship is docked. Boxing Day 2021. Today's, what's today's date, Ashley? 27? 26? Show you how I go on. Show you about the beach guys. It's nice. A lot of people out here today. Lots of people out here today having fun at the beach. Come on people, I enjoy themselves same way. Yeah man. Nice. Starbucks right there. Nice and nice and nice. Jamaica nice guys. You don't know. What do you mean? Mad thing. Pose are going up there so. Posing are going. What do you mean cameraman? Pose again. Change the pose. Yeah. Alright guys. Let's go Ashley. I want some ice cream now. Let's go. Ashley, let's go. Pure for this. Pure for this. Yeah, 2 ice cream. 2 cone. What you want? I don't know what's on here. All the flavors guys, lots of flavors. Yeah guys, I got strawberry cheesecake. What you get Ashley? What you get? Yeah, over there. I'm gonna go over there. What you get? What's the flavor is that? What flavor is that? What's it? Cookie and cream. So we're gonna go find some. We're gonna sit down over there so. It's nice here. Really nice over here. Yeah. I'm sitting over there, so you see me underneath the tree, relax and eat my ice cream. Don't know. Yeah, man. Big up everybody, big up everybody. People. How you eat ice cream? You lick it or you bite? Let me know in the comment section how you eat ice cream. Yes guys, I'm over by the ships with the little boats and yachts and stuff like that. Yeah man, we have yachts and boats in Jamaica too guys. I'm gonna show you what's up. Show you what's up now guys, hold on. Yeah, don't know. Jamaica is beautiful guys. I'm so honored to be born here. Honored, I'm talking about. Yeah, don't know. Beautiful beaches. Yeah guys, one day I'm gonna buy one of these boats. I'm telling you, mark my words guys. TeflonDon will buy one of these boats one day. Yeah man. You don't know, they are cool out. Let me show you how I'm going. A whole lot of people over by the beach. Let me show you how I'm going over the people. Peaceful man. Guys, I just realized that my phone is at 10%, so I guess I'm gonna have to end it here guys. For now I'm gonna go get some food and stuff like that and then go home. I wanted to show you more, but you don't know the battery I got dead, so you know make no sense me go no further. So guys, may I tell you, big up on yourself, big up on yourself. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. You see me, enough love and enough respect as always to everybody who is supporting me and watching me. Big up on yourself. All the best in 2022. God bless. I'll see you in the next one guys. Peace.